All these I planted are doing nicely. Of course, something ate the lilies. I've got a whole bunch of milkweed popping out, which is cool. And milkweed is good for butterflies. You want to bring monarch butterflies, that's the plant you want. And a whole bunch came back this year. These are in the midst of blooming again. These are coming out quite beautiful. What I'm trying to do, I like taking everyday objects like this chair, and I like to kind of create a situation where the plants or flowers reclaim against the man-made material, and that's what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get this to vine over, which it finally is. It's taken a while, but it's finally coming up, and I'm hoping to get this to wrap around the entire chair. That's what I did here, where I have a cement block and I had it around the house, so I'm going to utilize it. Oh, look at this. Boston Oriole. Shoot. I guess I don't know where he went. Maybe I'll freeze frame the video. Maybe I've gotten a halfway decent shot. Anyway, here's the rock garden from, what, 2 years ago I did? This is just a flower garden, but I centered it with echinacea plants. They have yet to come up. This is the bugle weed, which are blooming. And one of the things I've been doing is I go to, I'll give you the link below as I'm zoomed up totally on my nose. I've been buying medicinal type seeds. And what I do is I plant them all over my backyard and front yard, depending on whether you need full sun or partial sun. And the point is, so if I am here at home, I don't have to worry about, I'll know what I'm picking. I'll know that this is definitely the plant. I don't have to sit there and hope I get it right, because I know I planted it myself. I know what it is. And I get it from this website I'll post below, and he's a guy that just does it on his own, support your local businesses. I'm all about that. And that's pretty much it. Look at this. These are new. Pretty cool. It's pretty neat, huh?
All this time, all this time, all this time, and you on my mind. All this time, all this time, all this time, and you on my mind. I feel like the wind just came and blew all the crumbs away. I'm finally breaking it off with your memory. You're still in my cupboard. Get out of my cupboard.